How to fix this clan is restricted to certain account types in Clash of Clans. Now, the reason behind receiving such an error message like that, if you're trying to join in any clans available on your end, first things first, if you created a clan, there's actually two specific version or two options where it can go. So first is the family friendly option. Family friendly option is actually accessible to all ages. And then the other one is going to be standard. Standard is actually has a restriction to underage accounts. So the main reason why you're receiving this kind of error message is because you might or you have created an account that is actually below 16 years of age. So for you to be able to join the clan where you would like to join is just to simply send a DM on that specific clan leader because he's the only one who can change the specific standard option into family friendly so that the you can access or all the members is actually accessible to all ages and lets you join in without receiving that kind of error. So that's it. That's how you fix this clan is restricted certain account types in Clash of Clans.